shit. That much. Fuck it, let's go. Come on, let's back him up. Oh shit.
Gotta move when you gotta move, right, boys?
Go, go. Slice that corner hard. Slowly. I got you, Mike. Go, get in there. I got it, I got it. Who can get the flag?
Who's willing to get it? Where is it?
Right there.
Somebody come up? Somebody on the wall? That might be us. Behind us.
Yeah. It's right in that other room right there.
Buddy, you gotta reach for me.
What? Check this corner right as you come in, because people like to hide in that corner right here. Yeah, friendly, friendly, friendly. That was bad. Hey, friendly in the front room. Oh shit. Hey, friendly, come on, get in. You didn't hit. Come on, come on. Holy shit, dude, you shot between my legs.